So if you find that your kids are taking longer than usual to get ready to hit the road in the mornings, we have 5 tips that just might help to let your mornings less chaotic.
I feel said none of them tips I can't help.
Well, you know, I suspect it's also the age of the kids.
Yes.
Some of them, you just, from your turn your back, you don't even know where they got much sense to say.
So true.
All right, I wonder who put this together. It says be prepared. Start early. This can be as simple as setting out the clothes over the weekend and getting your kids to go ahead and go through their clothes. Go ahead and have that discussion about it. It's not okay to wear your sweater. Go ahead and talk about the scratchy feeling of the tags. Oh, so this way on Monday morning when they have to put on their clothes and be in a rush, they're tempted to throw a tantrum or a meltdown because their clothes just don't fit.
This don't really apply to us in that. Yeah. Well, for most schools, you wear the same uniform every day. Yeah. I just think getting a child ready in the morning is an art, and you have to figure out a way to make it fun for them. You know, how do you wake them up and make them set the tone for the rest of the day? So it says make things visual and clear. Use pictures to make it very clear what your children need to get done in the morning. Set it up in a fun and interactive way.
Yeah, fun is the key.
Yeah. Kids can see the steps they need to take so that they can get dressed, brush their teeth, eat breakfast, get their things together, and get out the door in a timely manner.
My son wouldn't eat. So maybe they have to eat half of the baby food. So, and then it was just every time
you were giving your son baby food?
Yeah, man. Actually, when him go to bed,
at what age?
He eat out the apple. We love the apple.
At what age?
He must be about 2 or so. Yeah.
Still eating goba at 2?
No. But he wouldn't eat. I'm probably younger than that.
Oh.
So I had to go so and take it out. And I go so. I'm not look for me. And then I go so.
Airplane.
And say, Daddy. But when we're done now, he eat quarter, and half up on the floor.
But at least he's had
But at least he get a quarter.
That's a victory. That's a victory, trust me.
Break it down. Break it down really, really small. Your child needs your help to break tasks down into little tiny steps. The harder your kids are having with getting through the morning routine, the more steps that you need to break down for them. For example, maybe getting dressed is a complete nightmare for you, so many reminders are nagging, so don't do that. Try a different way. Your child needs the task of getting dressed to be broken down into different steps.
I think it's just for parents to exercise some patience in the morning, because sometimes you realize they're pushing back a little bit, and if you get annoyed, then they get annoyed, and then they move even more slowly. So
I'll say it again. Fun is the key.
Yeah,
what's number 4?
Number 4 says set up a routine and make it a habit. Do the same thing over and over, and that's why we're doing it again. I don't know. Practice the routine at night, practice it a week before they go back to school, and whenever you have a struggle, come together at dinner time, come together another part of the day, and talk about what you're seeing that the family is struggling with. Lord, this DP. Look here, when you wake up in the morning, just do a little ticklings or find a song on YouTube that you know he or she likes, and I mean that works for my daughter every time. Wake her up with a smile. After that, there's no problems.
Or if you were like my mother, you just don't have no choice. She just come and say, time to get up. And if you even just look on her,
pie.
Slap up.
Pie.
And you are up and you eat and bathe in about 10 seconds. If not.
These tips are, I mean, I hear you, Kerry, but breathing. Yeah. Breathing when everything is going wrong in your house. Yeah. You need to be able to take a deep breath. Yeah. And when you take a deep breath, I'm still a ball. Yeah. They take 2 more and they cry louder. I say it a while ago, London just No, it doesn't work. I think it's a production all day, every day for London and Lauren. Just know your pumpkin. Know what it takes. Whatever it is that makes them happy will help them to get out of the bed more easily. Yeah. I think Lauren has decided for Lordia that she's not going to have any more kids. That's what she said, no. Until. Lauren is more than a handful, but she's so sweet. It's her mother who is the problem. Jeez, that's kind. Lauren is so, everybody loves Lauren except her mother. Serious. Her mother doesn't. Why is he saying these horrible things? Her mother can't manage her, but she's the sweetest in life. But her mother. Isn't she? Yeah. Except her.
I tell you, Lauren. All right. What is this now?
What is what?
Them something now.
I think this is just a
This is part of what you just said?
Yeah.
All right. So it says, together as a family, learn the strategies to take real deep breaths, to engage in some good morning stretches, to get started on the right foot, to ground yourself and your kids so that you can have an amazing day and they can conquer their day the way they're supposed to.
Too deep.
Incredibly deep.
But it actually helps though if you get up a little earlier and you sit down, maybe as a parent you drink some coffee and you kind of center yourself before you start. But I just be goofy about it, you know what I mean? Just be goofy about it, man. Get up, Erin, time to get up, Erin, mommy. Smile on the face, it's all over after that. She's like, potty.
Me never want to get up. But I just never want to go to school, which was my issue. I did want to get up, but I didn't want to go play. Same time as I get up.
So if she did say, get up, now it's time to play marbles, you'd have been
I'd be out the door. Yeah. Like, immediately.
Yeah.
But school is different now, though, you know.
It is. Let me tell you something. It's like a job for these kids.
Yeah. I remember I was saying even the way the principals and the teachers handled you back then is a lot different. I remember I was not at school for a couple of days, and the principal was at the gate the third morning to find out why I wasn't at school.
But some schools are still communicative like that. Like
we weren't as populated back then also.
But you have different means now. So I find a lot of teachers form like WhatsApp group with their parents, WhatsApp groups. They don't see a child, they'll be like, is Aaron okay today? Or,
which is important. And then there was a lady on, not our road, you just turn on the road and turn left for this road. Well, me never like her too much because no matter where you do, she just ball out. Me even know what she see.
She used to bust my all the way.
What? You kick all her back. Mary, you go mess up your school shoes. I went tell them all.
Village.
Yeah, say, but I know your shoes. I know you buy my shoes. I want to.
You told the adult that?
No. Quietly, me say it to myself.
You better, because she tell my belly it would have been all over for you.
And then when you think, say, you pass the gate, now me just kick it again. And me just say, she ball out again. Me say, where's she there? Like she can't see around the corner.
I don't see that time we're omnipresent. You think you're hiding? And you always hear somebody calling your name.
We kind of need that now, to be fair.
Yeah, we do. Really. And we need to work more closely with our kids because they are, I think the work I see Aaron doing now in grade 3 is what I'm serious, I'm not joking, is what I was doing in grade 6.
Yeah. Plus we got in trouble, you know, the difference is people get you out of trouble. Now you get in trouble, people don't care because you're not them child and stuff. I go on the wrong bus one time, following this very pretty alpha girl, and I end up on the wrong bus.
Why is that story not so hard to believe?
And I never know, so I was on the wrong bus. So that's the bus, make I turn right, and I say, wait, then I straight the bus. When you see by the time me come out, I had no idea where I was. So I just start bad.
No, hold on now. So you go up on a move at your ends. And you end up in tears?
Yeah, man.
Really?
We just start bad. And a little lady just come up and say, what happened? And I say, I don't know where I am. And I have to go home. And she said, where you live? And I tell her. And she took me home. Walk with me.
So where was
by the time she reached back home, me a ball like crazy because my mother gave me about 70,000 to find out how me end up on the wrong bus.
Was it worth it now?
Actually, yeah.
But did you even talk to the girl?
No, after I come out for the bus, I realized my last. I didn't remember where she lived again. Did
you see her again ever?
Yeah, but we never go back for the bus to her.
Did you talk to her, at least?
Yeah, but
she did tell her that you got lost on the bus?
She saw me did bad, but me did last. She said, you're not tough enough. So.
14. It's okay.
All right.
But you've gotten tougher.
Since then, a little bit.
If you end up on the wrong bus now, you wouldn't cry.
Finally, for the first time, I got through I think it's a zone of special. Oh, all right. Some said news.
Save your story. Tell us when we come back.
Yeah, news in 5.
Cry, baby. I want to go.